Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you the best Navy SEALs watches for men based on specifications. Please subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of my new upcoming videos. Number 5. Marathon Search and Rescue Dive Watches. Case diameter 36 mm. Case thickness 13 mm. Band material rubber. Band width 18 mm. Band color black. Dial color black. Special features Arabic numerals. Movement quartz. Water resistant depth 300 meters. Colloquial name medium search and rescue quartz. MSAR quartz. NSN 6645-01.697-4203. Movement high torque quartz. 3 joules. Case 316L stainless steel. Submersibility 30 ATM. Number 4. Luminox Navy SEAL 3580 series blue dial canvas strap men's watch XS3583ND. Handles pressure easily. Make this Luminox your new everyday watch. Carbonox case and 316L stainless steel case back. Carbonox unidirectional rotating bezel at 12-hour fitted with a protected colored light tube with sapphire crystal. Tempered scratch-resistant mineral crystal. Movement Ronda 5030.D HH1. Water resistant to 200 meters. 20 ATM. 660 feet. Individually tested. Black rubber signature strap with stainless steel brushed signature buckle. 24 or 22 millimeters. Number 3. Casio GShock GBD-H1000-1A7. Casio GShock Move GBD-H1000-8. The new GBH1000 GShock Move watch is equipped with heart rate monitor and GPS. Useful workout functions include an optical sensor for heart rate, along with bearing, altitude, barometric pressure, and temperature sensors, and an accelerometer for step counting. Package dimensions 7.13 by 5.43 by 4.09 inches. Item weight 9.6 ounces. Number 2. Casio GShock Frogman GWF-A1000-1A2JF. Case diameter 5.3 centimeters. Case thickness 19.7 millimeters. Band color blue. Dial color black. Item weight 4.2 ounces. Movement Japanese quartz. Water resistant depth 200 meters. I really like the face and size of this watch. It's big, bold, and easy to see the time on this watch. The blue band really adds a bit of color and distinction to this analog watch. It's really easy and convenient to use when paired with a smartphone. Number 1. Citizen BJ2169-08E Men's ProMaster Blue Rubber Strap Dive Watch. Display type analog. Case diameter 47 millimeters. Band material rubber. Band color blue. Dial color black. Movement Eco Drive. This watch comes with an extra blue rubber strap. B740. 1 second chronograph measures up to 50 minutes. 12 24-hour time. Maximum depth memory. Power reserve indicator. High quality 21 centimeter length and 22 millimeter width blue rubber strap with a buckle. Case diameter 46 millimeters. Case thickness 15 millimeters. Case color silver. Dial color black. Water resistant to 20 bars. Weight 142 grams.